Hi viewers, today our video on the acrylic pouring step-by-step tutorial. You are watching a beautiful idea, new art and design. You are watching a beautiful unique idea of art of acrylic pouring. You are watching different colors. You are watching, watch the guys, a flower you are making at home. You are watching with a plastic cup. How you can acrylic pouring make at home. Watch the new idea, acrylic pouring art. Watch the things, how to make a thing with acrylic pouring. Unique arts and design ideas you are watching on the screen. Hi guys, watch another idea. Watch different ideas on the screen. Watch the butterfly model made with acrylic pouring. You are watching the beach model. Now you are watching different ideas made with different things. Now you are watch the eye shape. Now you are watch the butterfly or flower, but you can learn the technique. Now you are watch the art, a piece of art, unique art you are watching. Watch the ideas and techniques, new designs. Guys, you are watching wonderful, beautiful art design. You are watching the flowers, black and you are watching the idea of the acrylic pouring with brush. You are watching make thing, how to make thing with the paper. You are watching idea of art. You are watching landscape idea. You are watching the now butterfly idea, how to make the acrylic pouring. Now you are watching with the spoon how to make flower. You are watching the a sponge. You are watching the flowers, how to make flower frame with acrylic pouring. Now wonderful idea with fork, how to make the flowers. uh, a new idea with the balloons. Now you are watching original flower managed on the frame with acrylic pouring. Now a unique idea for the flowers. Watch guys, original flowers using with acrylic paint.